Welcome to SimpleOne Label Maker. Today, we're going to design and print a sheet of custom round stickers in just a few clicks. First, click Label Size to choose your template. We'll select the 12 round labels option for a standard letter-sized sheet. Now let's add some text. Click the first label to type your message. Here, we'll go with Awesome Garden Sale. To add a personal touch, click Open to browse your images. We'll select this flower graphic and place it right in the center. You can fully customize your look. Use the toolbar to change the font style, increase the size, and pick a vibrant color that stands out. Adjust the alignment and spacing to make sure everything looks perfect within the circular border. Instead of designing each label one by one, simply click Fill All. This instantly copies your design to every sticker on the sheet. When you're ready, click Print. Ensure your paper size is set to letter and your printer is ready to go. And there you have it. A professional sheet of custom labels, ready to print. Thanks for using SimpleOne.